Hindi na ako matulog. Good day, sir, madam. My name is Rowena Magsipo. I am 28 years old. I live at Barangay Piña, Benavista, Guimaras. I am single, a single mother.
How many children? Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
One son.
How old?
He is 3 years old.
Okay, continue.
I graduated at Tayo de Memorial Antique School of Fisheries, batch 2002, and then continue my studies at Iloilo Doctors College,
What course?
Bachelor of Science in Nursing, undergraduate, second year, incoming third year.
Okay.
And I finished my caregiver 2004.
Okay. Continue.
My experience as a local domestic helper, I work at Compania San Juan Street, Mall, Iloilo City as a housemaid for 2 years since 2005 to 2007. I serve 5 members of the family. The adults are 14 years old and children ages 14, 12, and 6.
So you're employed at 3 children. Okay, 14.
12 and 6 years
Okay,
old.
so there were 3 children and of course the 2 adults which you mom and sir.
Is
Okay.
the mother and the father.
Okay. So you are the only house helper. How many housemaids inside the house?
We are 3.
There were
members.
3. Okay. And what were your main duty?
My main duty is help the child go to school.
So you send fetch them to school. What else?
Help with their studies.
Okay. What else? Are you also helping in doing household chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Like?
Like cleaning the floors, using vacuums, vacuuming the carpets, cleaning the toilets.
So cleaning the house. What else? No, because aside from caring children, you are also helping in doing household chores if you are in the house after
Yes.
taking care of the kids.
Yes.
Are you also helping in the kitchen?
No, ma'am.
Why?
They have a cook.
Let's say even during free time, only cleaning kitchen, you're not helping there.
I do help like cooking pasta.
So in cooking also you help if you have time.
Yes.
But most of the food they have another maid there to prepare the food.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In case in Hong Kong you're the only house helper, no? So it means to say you'll be the one to do all the household chores, serve all the family members. Of course, you will do marketing, budgeting, planning menu, and of course preparing food. Can you manage?
Yes, ma'am. And I will include learn that.
But can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. Filipino dishes.
Which do you prefer? Caring children or to cook?
Caring children.
Okay, but remember, you need to cook also. So you need to learn. Are you willing?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing. to
Filipino
learn.
dishes you can prepare.
Yes, I can.
In your family, in your house, you also be cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
How often?
Twice a day.
Every day, you mean to say you are preparing food. So now, are you working or not?
I'm not working.
So you're a plain housewife.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But you said you are a single mom. So who is supporting your family? You and your son.
We have a small store in our house.
You have a store. So if ever you can go to Hong Kong, who will manage your store?
My sister and my
Yes.
younger brother.
Okay. So who will take care of your son if
My
ever you
sister.
can? And how long are you planning to work abroad?
I'm planning to work 5 years
Also longer, of course, to prepare for his.
for the future of my son.
Okay. So what more your employer can expect from you if ever they will get you or they will hire you as their worker there in Hong Kong?
To my future employer, I promise to do my very best and follow all the rules and regulations imposed by my employer and finish my 2 years contract or it's depend of the decision of my employer.
So if they will renew the contract, you're
Yes,
also
ma'am.
willing. Good luck to you.
Thank you.